Hello, today we are going to speak about pets and farm animals. Сегодня мы с вами поговорим о домашних животных и животных, обитающих на ферме. Cat – кошка. Repeat – cat. Kitten – котенок. Repeat – kitten. Dog – собака. Repeat – dog. Puppy – щенок. Repeat – puppy. Cow – корова. Repeat – cow. Sheep – овца. Repeat – sheep. Donkey – осел. Repeat – donkey. Rabbit – кролик. Repeat – rabbit. Mouse – мышь. Repeat – mouse. Bird – птица. Repeat – bird. Very good. Now let's check. Look at picture number 1. What is it? Cat. Look at picture number 2. What can you see? Kitten. Look at picture number 3. What is it? Dog. Look at picture number 4. What is it? Puppy. Look at picture number 5. What can you see? Cow. Look at picture number 6. What is it? Sheep. Look at picture number 7. What can you see? Donkey. Look at picture number 8. What can you see? Rabbit. Look at picture number 9. What is it? Mouse. Look at picture number 10. What can you see? Bird. Very good job. Thank you for your attention.